Poohs, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm doing a Panda Express mukbang. I don't know what took me so long to do Panda Express because I love Panda Express. Like, this is probably like my favorite fast food, I guess it's considered fast food restaurant. So I don't know why it took so long for me to do this. But anyways, if you are new to this channel, welcome. My name is Wannie. I would love for you to hit the subscribe button so you could become a Wannie Pooh. Don't forget to hit the post notification bell so you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. So I'm actually doing a collaboration with my girl, my sis, J Let's Eat here on YouTube. Please go over and subscribe to her channel. Y'all will love her. She's so funny. She's just so happy, so lively. Her personality is just overall bomb. Like, y'all would really, really like her. She's so beautiful on the inside and the outside. So I would really, really love if y'all go over there and subscribe to her channel. When you go over there, let her know it's Wannie sent you. Don't forget that, okay? So today I have some orange chicken, fried rice, chow mein, honey walnut shrimp, which is my fave. And I have some cream cheese Rangoon, and I have 2 veggie rolls in the back. So let's get to eating. Yeah, I'm gonna try to use these. It's probably gonna be even harder because I have nails. My nails are actually longer now. They grew so long. I'm just talking, rambling all over the place. But yeah, I'm gonna try to use these. Let's see what we can do. And I pray off camera, for anybody that's wondering. I pray off camera. So, oh, they got some big chunks of meat. See, I'm struggling already. This might turn into fork and a spoon real quick. They orange chicken is bomb. I got a bowl back here, y'all. So how's everybody been doing? Put in the comments. Let me know how you've been doing. I really would like to know. That's really good, y'all. Oh, I want to thank y'all so much. I hit 20K Monday, so I really appreciate y'all subscribing and supporting my channel and leaving comments and giving my videos likes and things like that. I really, really, truly appreciate it. I'm really just like, honestly, I'm just really shocked. I mean, just a month and probably like a week ago, I was just at 5,000. So I'm just really like shocked that people actually would want to watch me, you know? So I really, really appreciate y'all. I had plans on doing a 20K video, but it snuck up on me, y'all, so. I was going to do a massive Olive Garden mukbang. Let me know if you still want to see that. But I probably won't be able to get it out until like March 1st if I do it. Because I have a collab next week. So, y'all know I only film once a week, so. This is so good. Let me know if y'all like Panda Express. I'm so mad. I didn't get any soy sauce, y'all, or duck sauce. I'm so mad. Like, how did I walk out of there without getting that stuff? So I seen that movie, um, What a Man Want, with Taraji P. Henson in it. I believe that's what it was called, What a Man Wants. Yeah. Um, I'm eating a cheese Rangoon. I'm sorry, y'all, but that movie was terrible to me. I did not like that movie at all. Now, I love Taraji B. Henson. That's my girl. I think she's a bomb actor. I notice I like her in serious roles. Like, I don't like her in that type of role she played, which was, y'all see the movie. But no, y'all, that was not a movie for me. I like the whole concept of the movie, what they was trying to get to, the point, but I didn't like her role in it. I don't know. It was just a movie that I would never want to watch again. Okay, the struggle. Did y'all go over to Jay Let's Eat channel? That's my girl. I forgot how I started following her. I can't even remember. I know somebody is laughing at me right now on how I'm holding these chopsticks and trying to pick this food up. I'm hungry. I don't have time for that right now. There we go. I want to thank everybody that congratulated me on hitting 20K. All the content creators, thank y'all so much. All my subscribers, thank y'all. Like, thank y'all so much. Y'all, I'm so ready for Game of Thrones to come out. It comes out April 14th. I am so ready. I love, love, love Game of Thrones. If y'all don't know, my birthday is April 9th. Game of Thrones come out April 14th. I'm literally going to have like a Game of Thrones party at my house. Like, not really a party, but like, just like my brother, my husband, and my cousin, because we all love Game of Thrones. So the rules are you have to wear a Game of Thrones shirt. This veggie roll is so good. But I'm so hype about Game of Thrones. Y'all have no idea. That's like the best show on TV. Like, you cannot tell me there's a show better than Game of Thrones. You can't. I'm gonna have some pizza, wings, nachos, I'm gonna get a Game of Thrones tablecloth. I'm doing it up, y'all. That's all I know what I want to do for my birthday so far. That's all I came up with. If you don't know, I'll be turning 29. 29 years old. Oh my God. I'm getting old. That's not old. Happy birthday to Mama D. Mama D's World. Please go over to her channel, subscribe, and let her know it's Wannie sent you over there. She just turned 40 years old. I freaking love her. She do not, when she said 40, I was like, what? She do not look 40, y'all. Y'all let me know if she look 40. Go over to her channel. I also want to say happy birthday to Mimi. She's from the Face Squad channel. Happy birthday, Mimi. I wish I could have got a recording out sooner so your Annie could have put it in a video. But happy 8th birthday. I wish you many, many more, and I hope you really, really enjoyed your day. This was my first time trying these. They okay. I always seen them, just never tried them. They would probably be better if I had some sweet and sour sauce. I'm so mad I didn't get none. I know some of y'all was asking about my son's channel. He'll be uploading something this Saturday. He had a whole lot of homework to do. His teacher all week because they missed so much of school from the weather we've been having here in Michigan has been crazy. So she sent him a lot of homework, so he got to do his homework. He should be finished with all his homework by today, which is Friday. So I didn't get to watch the Grammys really. I pretty much just saw highlights from like YouTube or whatever. So I saw Cardi B performance. I think she did really good. I know there's a lot of talk about her. They don't think she should have won a Grammy and things like that. Listen, honestly, y'all, I feel as though you can't really tell somebody how hard they have worked. You get what I'm saying? I'm not saying she deserved a Grammy. I'm not saying she, you know, she shouldn't have a Grammy. But I don't know. I'm gonna stay out of it, say. I don't know, y'all. I know a lot of people saying she write her raps. I mean, she doesn't write her raps and things like that. But honestly, what rapper nowadays do? These pieces are huge. But I think her performance was really, really good. Why did I try to pick these chopsticks up once again? Y'all, just tell me to let it go. Let it go, Wannie. But I think Cardi B is cool. You know, I'm not into her like that. But I think she's really cool. I like her personality. I think she's so funny. This is so good. I love that the artist her, y'all know the artist her, H.E.R. her. um, I love the fact that she won Best R&B Album. Like she said, that wasn't even an album, that was an EP. Like, look at God. Her voice is out of this world. You can actually listen to her whole EP and just drive to it, listen to it. You know, sometimes you listen to certain artists and you got to skip songs because you really like that song. With her EP, every song was a hit for me. Every song. I think her performance was dope too. Her outfit was bomb. Bomb. That orange chicken is so good. Oh, I wanted to get the Bajan beef because that's another favorite of mine. But I already felt like I had a lot of food. Which this definitely won't go to waste because I'll be eating this later on and sharing some with my kids, obviously, because they love orange chicken. And the rice, they don't really like chow mein like that. I don't think they like the texture of the noodles. I'm getting really full, y'all. I'm getting there. I usually hate my food touching, but with Chinese food, I don't mind. I don't mind with Chinese food. That was really good. Mm. So, my cousin will be, my favorite cousin, she'll be joining me for a seafood mukbang. I don't know when we gonna film it. Probably, maybe like the beginning of March or something like that. So, maybe I'll make that about 20K video. Do like a huge seafood boil. Y'all let me know. But yeah, I don't know. Y'all let me know. I guess it's cool. If y'all want me to do seafood, I'll do seafood. It's fine. I didn't eat that much seafood until I started mukbangs. But before then, off camera, I never really ate seafood like that. I ate it maybe once every couple months. And that was only snow crab. I only started eating king crab when I got on YouTube because I didn't know anything about king crab, to be honest with y'all. I had no idea about king crab. And I still feel like snow crab is killing king crab. King crab, you just get a lot of meat. With snow crab, sorry y'all. With snow crab, it's a lot of flavor. A lot of flavor. That's just my opinion. Okay, y'all, I'm about to wrap this up. So, have y'all ever had something so good you just want to keep eating, but you know you can't? just got the hiccups out of nowhere. I want to thank y'all so much for joining me in this video, because you could have been doing something totally different, but you chose to click on this video. So for that, I really, really do appreciate it. I'll definitely be doing a 20K video. I just don't know when. Even if it's a week or 2 weeks from now, I'm going to do that 20K video, okay? But if you are new to this channel, go ahead and hit the subscribe button and hit the post notification bell so you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. Don't forget to go to my girl J Let's Eat channel. That's my girl. Please go over and subscribe to her channel. You guys really, really love her. She's amazing. And I'm just so happy that I came across her channel and got the opportunity to meet her. So, but anyways, thank y'all so much for joining. I'll see you guys in the next mukbang. Bye, guys.